Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi and today's video is a really small Nykaa haul. So I've been saving for like few months to buy few stuff from Nykaa and I finally got it in my mail. It has been with me since last 1 week, so I thought it's high time now I should shoot a video. So without further ado and without making this video a million years long, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got for myself is this Lakme face sheer, and this is how it looks like. It's a really tiny bottle. Look at the size of it, and it's actually a powder highlighter. So let me show you guys. This is how it looks like. It's really small. This is in the shade Desert Rose. Okay, this is in the shade Desert Rose, and this retails for I think 400 rupees or 500 rupees. How much? Price is not mentioned on this bottle, but I think I got it for 300. Wait, I have the bill. Let me see that. Okay, so the MRP of this is 400 rupees and I got this for 240 rupees. It has this sponge. It has this sponge kind of an applicator which you can just dab onto your cheeks, your nose, and you're good to go. So yeah, I have used it a couple of times, but to be really honest, I'm not a big fan of this whole thing. It's really difficult to apply, and with the sponge, I really don't see any product coming out, and I'm not a good, like, I was really hoping, I had really high expectations with this highlighter, but it did not, match up to my expectations. So, yeah. Next product that I have in this bag is this. This is Nykaa's Pout Perfect lip liners. Now these retail for $4.99 each. So they have just launched these, and I got 2 of these shades. I know these are really expensive. Like $4.99 for a lip liner is like way too much. It's like very expensive. So I got 2 shades. I have one in the Nude Me Not, and the other one is the Call Me Red Darling. So they have I think 6 shades in this range, and I was really excited to buy them and do a review, but I somehow could not film. So this is the Nude Me Not color. It's a beautiful brown nude shade, everyday color, and this is a red color. This is in the shade, what was that? Call Me Not Red. Call Me Red Darling. This is the red color. These are very creamy. They are too good to be called a lip liner, to be really honest. I personally feel they are kind of lipsticks in crayon form. So yeah, since the tip is pointed, you can obviously use them to just outline your lips, and you can obviously fill in your lips with this as well. They are really too good to be a lip liner. I think they are kind of lip crayons only, and I might be wrong. I think they are lip crayons only, maybe. Okay, so the next thing is this Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara. This is the waterproof one. I just ran out of my earlier one, which was the Volume Express one, so I really wanted to try another one. This retails for 325 rupees, and I think I got it on discount, or maybe I think I paid full amount for it. But yeah, I got this as well, and there is actually nothing much to say about this because I think everyone must have used that. I got another mascara for myself, and that is the Lakme Iconic Mascara. Now, when I saw Anvesha from Supertips Anvesha use this Lakme Iconic Blue Mascara, I was really intrigued and I really wanted to buy the blue one. But then I literally added that to my cart. But then I thought, and I just asked myself that where will I just go wearing a blue mascara? So is it really worth it to spend money like 300 rupees on a mascara which is blue in color? So I dropped the plan and bought the black one. But yeah, next thing again is from Lakme, and it is the Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer Stick. Oops, and this is how it looks like. It's like a pen form lipstick kind of a thing, and I've not yet tried it, but I'm really looking forward to use this. And the last thing that I bought is the Maybelline Clear Glow All-in-One BB Cream. This is the shade Radiance. It has SPF 21 PA++, and this is how it looks like. I actually wanted to do a battle of the BB creams, and hence I'm collecting all the kinds of BB creams with me. Okay, so yeah, I think those were all the products, and I was pretty quick in this video, I think. So yeah, those are all the products that I got from Nykaa this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, a mini haul from Nykaa, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.